Today we'll talk about how can you disable one-tap trading on your FxPro app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that in your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, so you just scroll down, you click here on more down here. When you just click here on more, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do, just click here on trading settings here. Then you come to next step here, come here to one tap trading here. So then you just click in this sign or this color. Like you see here, color it's gone. That's mean here one tap trading, it's disabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish you accurate. That's all. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.